and welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa, and I was actually just about to walk out the door and go, grocery shopping, do some errands, and I seen I had both Boxycharms in my mailbox. I didn't actually open them yet, so I figured we'll do a first impressions of what I get. Usually I like to open, either try on, or like kind of review the items that I got, but I figured we'll just open them up and I'll show you what I got. I actually just filmed a video too. Okay, so let's see. This theme is Dusk Till Dawn, and I'm not sure what box this is, if this is the premium or base box. I think it's the base. I'm not sure, but let's open it up and see what we got. So this is from OP V Beauty London Glow Perfect Face Palette. I want to say I chose this, and this retails for $34, and it says it's a new launch. I'm going to open this up and let's see what it looks like. It says it's in shade 4. A lot of plastic. I have to open up another layer of plastic. Okay, finally get into it. Oh, and it's a face palette, so you have the blush, highlight, and bronzer. The pretty pink. That's a really pretty color. Let's see the highlight. That's pretty too. They all seem smooth. And the bronzer, that looks a little yellow. I'm not sure about the bronzer, but the other two shades I think are really pretty. I'll definitely have to, maybe in the future I'll do like get ready with me using these products. So this is from LaRousse Beauty. It's called the Christine set, and I believe I already have this. So I'll have to check my emails if I could get it open. Yeah, I definitely have this. Usually if you get a repeat, they will give you like a discount code towards their website so you can purchase things. But LaRousse brushes are so nice, and honestly, I don't mind getting more of the same brushes because I hate washing my brushes. So the more the merrier. Even if they're the same of what I already have, these are super nice, soft brushes. They feel like high quality. I don't know. I believe they have a high price tag. I remember I really liked this one for blush. It was a really pretty blush brush. This little container that it comes with is cute. The other one I have, I don't think I use, but it's nice to have, I guess. And that retails for $50. Okay, let's go to number 3, which is Mud Masky. I do believe I have a few things from this brand, and I don't ever really use it. But this is a root feeding hair mask. It nourishes follicles, repairs hair, restructures, dandruff control, and nourishes scalp. And I'm actually trying to like heal my hair. I've noticed some breakage, and it makes me super scared because I bleach my hair and I do it myself. And yeah, I have some short pieces from breakage, so I've been trying to like really hydrate and moisturize my hair, not use a lot of heat, letting my hair air dry, stuff like that. So I don't mind this. This is prior to use. If you need to wash your hair, first use a natural shampoo, apply on wet hair, massage, leave into hair and scalp, leave in for about 1 minute, rinse thoroughly with low temperature water, and do not use a conditioner after. Use at least once a week. So my understanding is this is kind of like a leave-in conditioner, I guess. Yeah, like a hair mask. I'll probably blow through this like crazy because it's kind of a small bottle, and it retails for $29. It is a new launch. I guess I'll have to try it out and let you guys know what I think, but I am happy that I got this. Oh my god, another double? This is Persona Cosmetics Swipe Up Brow Gel, and I got the shade Warm Brown. What a bummer. I'm not even gonna open this. I literally just got this not that long ago, and it's not in Warm Brown, so I don't even think I would like this color. That's very upsetting. I guess I'll set this aside. Maybe my mom, do you want this? Like, What a bummer. 2 doubles. Like, have I had Boxycharm too long or something where I'm getting doubles all the time? But anyways, the 5th product is Beauty for Certain Deluxe Lipstick. This is a new launch, which retails for $18. Let's see what it just says number 18. Hopefully it's not like a crazy color, because I'm kind of disappointed already in this box. Cool packaging. That's kind of neat. Okay, I like the color. It's like a nude. Let me swatch it. Oh, it's kind of weird. Like a weird nude. Or no, it's not bad. It's like it almost looked orange when I first swatched it. I don't know. It's not a terrible color. It's not my favorite, but it's something I could wear, something I could pull off at least. But I don't know. I'll have to add everything up, and I'll put it in the description box for the total value of this box. But overall, I'm bummed out. Like, they're not bad products. It's just I got 2 doubles. Like, do I need to, like, quit Boxycharm for a while? So I don't know. Okay, let's move on, which I presume to be the premium box. They're actually, like, small size boxes. They're both the same size. Okay, same theme, dusk to dawn. And I'm hoping already that this is going to be, like, way better. I think it's going to be what I see so far. So right now, this is the Ofra Cosmetics Signature Palette in Symphony. And that is $34. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, I think I do. Ooh, it's pretty. It's like a plum color. This would be really pretty for fall. Let me do a couple. Oh, this middle shimmer shade could be like, I think it's like a highlight, but a highlight for your face, obviously for your eyes. This feels like a satin, that purple. This is really pretty. Very impressed. The shades feel really buttery. Okay. Very happy with this. Okay, so far, so good. Let's move on. Okay, the second product is from Kate Berkey, the Nutrient C Eye Cream. This retails for $90. It's supposed to, what is it? It's a vitamin C, stable form of vitamin C to brighten, and it has caffeine in it, which is good to help depuff. I don't know. I like getting eye creams. I do have quite a bit from but well, the packaging looks kind of nice. Let me pump it out and see what it feels like. Okay, it feels like just a thin lotion, like more of a serum product, and it does feel really silky. So, oh, it smells, it's fragranced, but I enjoy the scent of it. I know people say you're not supposed to use, like, dermatologists, and that fragrance can irritate your skin. It doesn't irritate my skin for the most part, but some scents could be more pleasant than others, and I feel like this is a pleasant scent. Okay, I see that I got a mascara. Ain't that interesting looking? Mellow Way Your Way mascara, which retails for $22, and this is a new brand to Boxy. It says it's award-winning, volumizing, and it has a patented adjustable brush and lash feeding formula infused with keratin, amino acids, argan oil, and red algae. So it's supposed to be long lasting and smudge proof. Deeply pigmented super black for maximum drama. Okay, so it says awesome things about this mascara. Wow, look at that. That definitely stands out. Kind of looks like a marker. I'm very curious about this brush. Does it move or something? Oh yeah. I think I had a brush like this from L'Oreal that did that. It's maybe I do have mascara on, but I'll just coat a little That's not really going to tell me anything about this mascara, but I like the brush. It's a natural, or I don't know if it's a natural hair, but it's just like her traditional brush. Nothing too crazy. And the product seems to comb through just fine. So obviously I'll have to try this out on its own to get like a real opinion about it. But kind of interesting, kind of cool. I love the like neon orange. Love getting mascaras, not mad at that. Okay, so the fourth item, let me find it. Right here, it is the Playa Mono Milk Leave-In Conditioner for $24. This is a new brand to Boxy. I don't know, why do I feel like I've seen this brand in Boxy before? Okay, so it's a leave-in conditioner. It smoothes, friends, softens, coconut milk, and some kind of oil. So let's spray some. I love my leave-in conditioner sprays. Slightly fragrance, nothing too strong. So yeah, happy to get this. Like I said, I'm trying to heal my hair, and I did trim like my ends and all that. So, because I do need to do my roots soon, but I'm scared. I'm scared my hair's gonna fall off. So in the meantime, I've just been trying to really hydrate my hair. But yes, happy. That's nice. I'm glad to get that. Now, I feel like I chose this one. It is Alpha H Balancing Cleanser. This is a new brand to Boxy as well. There's quite a bit of new brands to Boxycharm, new launches. So that's kind of cool that Boxycharm is getting new brands, and I don't know, so we get to see new products, hopefully. Not keep getting duplicates. But this retails for $36. It says it's a creamy multitasking cleanser made with vitamin C and aloe, and it's supposed to be gentle, non-stripping to correct the skin's natural pH balance. So I'm happy to get a cleanser. It kind of looks like high-end. It looks nice. My last video, I was talking about a cleanser from Boxycharm, and I was kind of complaining that I don't get enough cleansers or toners. And my Aunt Sandy is so sweet. We went to the cemetery to bury my uncle's ashes. He died last year, but he donated his body to science. So we just had like some family get together, and he was buried, and we said a few prayers and stuff. But she gave me a Sephora gel cleanser because she said, here, I have too many. You said you don't get enough. Now I feel like I am getting a lot, but I actually used that Sephora cleanser and it was great. Awesome. Thank you, Sandy. But anyways, I'm excited to use this. Happy. I love the packaging. It just looks luxe. It looks like something from like a department store. Let me squeeze a little out. It is a cream. Okay, but it's not like too, like it feels like it goes down kind of. If that makes any sense. Am I making sense? I don't know. Sometimes I wear you a cream. It's going to be like kind of like a Noxzema type of thing. Or like a lotion, because I'm not a huge fan of those lotion type cleansers. Actually, that kind of might be what this is. Gentle creamy lotion. I don't know. I'll have to try it. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. And the last item, so we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, is from Item Beauty by Addison Rae, the Lid Glaze Hydrating Jelly Shadow, which retails for $14. Item Beauty is sold in Sephora. It's kind of like LYS, like it has a small end cap. So let's see. I don't even know what color I got. It's kind of cool. It comes in a little plastic packaging. I did get a few items from Item Beauty. I really enjoy their concealer. Their mascara is so-so. Some people really love it, but it's not like my favorite. Okay, let's see what color. I think it's called Coin Toss. Okay, so this is more of those sheer, like, gloss, like eye balm glosses. I know, like, my daughter likes products like this. It has, like, slight little speckles of glitter for, like, a really sheer look. Maybe I'll put a little, kind of have, like, a silvery blue eyeshadow in today. I might be ruining it, but I'll just add, like, a dot for, like, the shimmer. But yeah, this is very sheer. Not really my cup of tea, honestly. I know like my daughter might really enjoy this. Maybe I'll ask her if she wants it, but when I get products like this, I want it to be like super pigmented, super foiled, super metallic, kind of like the Stila's. But this is just very sheer. But okay, overall, and I will also link the total value of this box, the premium, down below. And what else will I put down there? Maybe I'll put, if I could find like Boxycharm prices, I'll put that down too, to tell you how much they're selling these items for. But overall, the premium is a much better box. Much better box. I very much enjoy it. I will get used out of it. The base box, what a bummer. Like, okay, fine, I got a double with this. This is like something I could use. And maybe if this was the same color that I got, I could use this as a backup. But I'm not a super fan of the warm brown. And like, I just got it. Like, it's not like I got it a year ago or 2 years ago. I got it like a couple months ago. And like, I do like this. The face palette's not bad. I'm just disappointed in 2 doubles in one box. I know they reimburse you. They give you like points to use towards their store, but I don't really purchase from their store. So I don't know. Sometimes they do. I don't know. I'm just a whiner right now. I'm starving. I need to go get something to eat. And I really want, like, Tim Hortons is like our local coffee. I know it's popular in Canada. I'm kind of by Canada. They have these like energy drinks called like Sunrise. I don't know. They're so good. I know they're so bad for you, but I really want one of those, and I need something to eat and go grocery shopping because I have nothing to eat in the house. But anyways, guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my Boxycharm unboxing, first impressions, like, you know, just showing you what I got and my impressions on them. But anyways, guys, I will see you all later. All right, bye.